Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel.
As highly demanded by you people, today we are going to show you some hostels and PGs around Jain University. And today we are at one such property. It is called Jain View by Serenity Hostels.
A great part about this property guys is that it is very centrally located amongst all the major campuses of Jain University, Jain Jayanagar, CMS Jain and Jain VV Puram. And from each of these properties it is just 8 minutes away, which is a very good thing. Along with that, this property is very centrally located on the very famous KR road of Bangalore. As you can see, this is the main road, which is the KR road, and it keeps moving, and that's the reason we have to talk very loudly. And here is the very famous Jain temple. A great part about this whole property is that this property is both for boys and girls. However, they have different access areas and entry points for both boys and girls. The first two floors that you see are for girls, and the top two floors that you see are for boys.
So first, let's start with the tour of their girls' room. Let's get started. So the entry for the girls is different from the entry for boys. So first, this is the gate, and here is their office, where you will probably come for some discussion. There are a lot of floors on their first floor, but we will be checking out a demo room on their second floor. So we are going to be touring their single sharing room first, and here it is. We are touring 103 for anyone who wants to come have a look. And so this is a single sharing room with a whole lot of space. So there is a single bed, one drawers and side table, and there is a study table with a very comfortable chair. Now let's have a look of their washroom. So this is their washroom. There is a shower area and a WC, and right behind the door, which you might not be able to see, is the mirror and wash basin.
It's my turn now, and I will give you guys tour of the room for boys. Come, let's go. They have a lift inside, but for my health purposes, I'm going to be taking the stairs. So guys, all the varieties of rooms here are just the same both for boys and girls. Since Pavni has already given you a single sharing rooms tour from the girls hostel, I will be giving you guys tour of the boys hostel of double sharing and triple sharing. Come, let's go. Along with that guys, on each of the floors they have these mini study rooms where you can come for any of the study related things that you want to do. Come, let's go to the room. So this is the boys double sharing room. You have a bed here. Along with the bed you have a cupboard and another bed with another cupboard. There is a window there on the other side. I'll give you a tour of the washroom. So there's the washroom. Pretty decent. You have the wash basin, the WC and the bathing area. I've come on the fourth floor now guys to give you guys a tour of the triple sharing rooms. Come, let's go. So this is the triple sharing room. You have 3 beds, 1, 2 and 3. The cupboards will be provided to each and every student, and you have the washroom here. Okay, so the washroom looks very spacious. You have the wash basin here, the bathing area, and the WC here. So guys, this is the common area for both boys and girls, and this is their dining room. This is where you will come for all your meals. There you can see is where the kitchen is. Guys, just like with every Serenity hostel, you guys will be provided with 4 meals: breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, and they keep rotating the menu from North Indian to South Indian and various different cuisines.
But first of all, guys, look at this view. So from the dining hall, just like we saw at the start, is the Jain temple. You can see the top of the temple and just so much greenery, which is very rare now with the coming up time.
I'm pretty sure you guys will be wondering about the various facilities that they provide. So each of the rooms here is provided with Wi-Fi, electricity is taken care of, you have washing machines for laundry as well as laundry services if you want additionally.
And without much ado, now let's move to the costing part of it. So the single sharing rooms are 35,000 per month. The double sharing rooms are 19,500 per month. And the triple sharing rooms are 17,500 rupees per month. However, this pricing is the same throughout for the boys as well as the girls.
Along with that, guys, in the description of this video, I will be putting down all the details for Serenity Hostels, their website, their contact details, all of that, so you guys can directly reach out to them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like this video, please smash the like button.
Please comment below if you have any queries. Don't forget to share it with your friends.
And yes, guys, do not forget to even subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you guys get updates of our regular new videos. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.